Welcome to the blog. I'm Dale Callahan. The healthcare debate, the big issue. A lot of people are really upset about what's going on in healthcare and how's that going to impact us. How is that going to impact us personally? And we've heard all the stories. We're just beginning to hear the stories about how many jobs are going to be lost, how taxes are going to be to rise. We can criticize governments and administrations, but the fact is, it's just government overall. That's how it works. Government grabs power. But the interesting thing is in all the negative things, the American spirit, which entrepreneurship is a part of the American spirit. And go read the Declaration of Independence and look at the American spirit there that's still alive today. What will we do to respond to this? While some people are going to be over here and they're going to be losing jobs and they're going to be fighting it and legislating it and fighting it in the court systems, no matter how that turns out, the healthcare environment will change forever. Because entrepreneurs and business, and when I say entrepreneurs, I mean from the small businesses to the large business, they will not lose. They are going to be the big winners. They're going to be the people that figure out how to take advantage of this government legislation and offer services to people that are in pain. But who's going to be in pain? Well, those consumers who are going to now find the health care is not as good. Those consumers who are going to find out now they have to deal with government regulation instead of just filing our taxes. We're going to have to file our health care stuff at the end of the year. CPAs, consultancies are going to bloom and blossom to help us and businesses deal with this new complicated legislation and requirements for reporting to the government and our friends in the IRS. Who would have thought IRS being in charge of health care? It makes perfect sense. However, we also look at who else is going to be hurting. Well, those people who need health care services and want good health care. Not that we've been used to really good health care. So what we're going to expect to see is it go down because government's got their fingers in the middle of it, and it's already been a struggle because government and tort, legal issues being in the middle of it. We're demanding better health care. People are going to provide it. Doctors are going to say, look, we'll help you. If you just pay us cash, we're more than willing to give you great health care, better than you ever dreamed of. Health care better than when you came here and we had to fight with insurance companies. I'm the doc. Relieve me of the pain of having to see hundreds and hundreds of patients a day. Relieve me of the pain and expense of chasing down insurance, and I'll give you better health care. I'll give you superb health care. You just pay me cash. We're already seeing that. We've seen that in the past where doctors just take up on people pay a flat $5,000 a year for a doctor. He sees limited patients. He has more control of his time. He don't have to deal with health care. They get better care. We're also seeing medical tourism on the rise, and this is going to explode it. We're going to export our health care to all types of countries. We fly to India for heart surgery. People will go to wherever, and it may be even in the United States. We will go with cash in hand to get the best health care we can in the world. We'll go to Brazil to get cosmetic surgery. Like I said, India has already been a large heart care center. A lot of dentistry is being done in Europe. We're going to see this all over. We're going to export massive amount of healthcare, and there's going to be new industries to help me and you take advantage of that, to help me and you travel, to help me and you plan vacations around going to get our dental work done. There, just some of the industries that are going to happen. The point being that while the government's in there mangling with the system, and a lot of us get depressed about it, some of us are excited about it, but a lot of us are depressed about it. We don't have anything to be depressed about. The American spirit will conquer whatever they throw at us. Again, read the Declaration of Independence. See how the American spirit, and in particular in the entrepreneurial activity, will grow. This will improve health care. It won't improve it because the government's done it. It will improve because the government has forced us in such a bad situation. Just like the Declaration of Independence, we improved our government because some king forced us into such a bad situation that we took control. So now we're going to see the American people and the American entrepreneur taking control of American healthcare like never before. I'm Dale Callahan. That's the way I see it.